guys, this is Noelle at Noelle Lewis Crafts. I know it's been a while. I hope everyone's doing okay out there. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys a translucent rainbow Skinner blend because someone asked me how I did that, which I used to make a rainbow version of this translucent bubble cane from Jessima Tutorials. I'll link this below too. So this is pretty simple, a little bit messy. I'm just going to show you guys how I did it. So you want to start with 3 colors, either primaries or these are like basically like CMY type colors, I guess. I'm not sure. This one's Mermaid. These ones I don't think have the names on the bottles, but like a magenta, yellow, and cyan type colors. So I have 3 little pieces rolled out here. This is not very much. This is only like 1/4 of a block of clay because I just don't need a lot of it for anything right now, but obviously you can do more. So and I think I went a little heavy on the inks last time, so I'm gonna see what it's like if I go a little bit lighter. So I'm really just gonna do like 1 drop of each one, whereas I did at least 2 last time. And this, oops, okay. Actually the pink's really strong, so I'm gonna dab off the extra little drop there. And this is the part that's messy, so if you're worried about your hands, you can wear gloves for this. Actually, I am gonna add a little bit of extra of the other 2 colors just because the pink tends to overwhelm it a little bit. So all I'm gonna do right now is just spread these out with my finger. Just use a different finger for each one so I can not smear them together. Okay, and then all you're gonna do is let these dry for a little bit so that you don't get any moisture or bubbles or anything like that when you blend them. So I'm gonna do that and I will come back to show you the rest. Okay, so I'm back. It's probably been 20 or 30 minutes and these are completely dry now. So I'm just gonna run each one through the pasta machine a couple times just to get the ink incorporated a little bit. Doesn't have to be all the way mixed in, I just want it contained so that it's not transferring. Sorry about my squeaky chair. Okay, and this one. Okay, so I forgot to mention, this is kind of based on Cindy Leitz's Rainbow Skinner Blend video, where she just uses opaque colors like I think magenta, yellow, and cyan, like I mentioned. So I'll link that one too. So these colors are good if you want a brighter blend, whereas I think the primaries could work if you wanted more of a classic rainbow blend. But anyway, so what you want to do now is cut each one diagonally to make triangles. So I'm going to go, just move these out of the way. I'm going to go offset a little bit. And these aren't perfectly square, but I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to offset instead of corner to corner, go a little bit like that so that you have this little part here that's going to be the original color of each one and not completely get blended. And then if you want to get a full blend of colors, you're going to actually, okay, first we're going to stack these so you can use the full amount. And then you're going to take one color and split it in half and put that one on either side. So, okay, so like I'm going to do the pink on the ends this time. So I'm taking these 2 and putting them here. And then this one, this is not an exact science, but it'll work. So take this one. And this blend might be a little bit small to get a good range of colors, but like I said, I'm just kind of making a sample here, so I don't have a ton of it lying around. And then I'm actually going to roll this out a little bit and fold it up just to make sure that it all stays stuck together when I put it through the pasta machine. And now I'm going to go off to the side and start blending it. So you can already see these starting to blend after just a few passes. And some colors might take a little bit longer. Like this is already pretty smooth here in the middle, but these are not quite incorporated, so I'm going to keep going. It's getting a little more blended. And what you can do if it's not blending quite as much as you want, like right here, I'm wanting to see a little bit more purple and more orange, you can shift it. It's a little bit hard to show because this one's so wide and thin, but instead of folding it directly, you can angle it just a little bit so that you will get more overlap. Okay, I might go a little bit farther, but this is basically your blend right here, and you can use this for a lot of different things. I like to use it in caning, like in the one that I showed you. I have it going through each cane slice, and then on this butterfly one that I did, these are knitting stitch markers. I did it lengthwise through the cane so that each slice comes out a different color. I do need to film that eventually so I can show you guys too. And then just for some different variations, I also did a metallic one. So anyway, and this one I put the yellow on the ends instead of the pink, so you can see it has a different order here. So anyway, that is pretty much the blend. Let me know what you guys think and what you do with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.